how to fix Instagram story music feature not available on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, just click update, and after that just go to settings. This one for Android phones, go to apps, and then type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and then click permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and then restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.